That's the intro.
No.
Check out our new table we got. Kim, what do you think? Are you a fan? She's trying to clean up so the shot doesn't look so dirty.
Yeah, stop. Hang on a second.
Anyway,
Corey?
it doesn't matter. Everybody has dirt. That's life.
Corey, stop.
Kim.
Corey.
Kim.
Corey.
Kim.
Corey.
Kim.
Stop.
Yep. Northwest Indiana was in a state of emergency on Thursday, so we couldn't go anywhere for the past Wednesday and Thursday. Today is Friday, and basically we had 2-day weekends in a row, basically. So
Pretty much.
pretty nice. So I just wanted to just show you the new table. So this is the new table with 4
Trying to come up
chairs.
with like some kind of middle piece.
Put the cat in the middle piece. Boo-doop, boo-doop, boo-doop. Middle piece! That's a fantastic middle piece. Okay, now stay.
Stay.
Stay. That's a beautiful middle piece. It doesn't... Okay.
Oh, I like it.
You're ruining it.
No, you gotta stay.
Okay.
Didn't stay.
you.
Thank you, Stephanie and Ryan. I appreciate it like a whole lot, and I love the new table.
We're going to be using the crap out of it.
We are gonna use the crap out of it. Ta da da da! I have no hair.
It's actually pretty funny because ever since she built it, it scares her sometimes.
It does. I'm like walking around here going, oh my gosh.
She thinks it's somebody in the window every once in a while.
Oh my gosh. I love it. Don't you love it?
Love it. Come on.
Love it. Parker, leave the table alone. Leave it alone. Stop touching it. Stop it. Where'd he go? Oh my gosh, Freddie. I see your tail. I see you. What are you doing? No, no, no. Oh, this is his new toy. I know what he's doing tonight. You little weirdo.
Alright, so here's the deal. We're gonna go break a leg today.
We're not gonna go break a leg, but we are gonna go sledding.
So let's go sledding. Here we go. Alright, here's Kim's first attempt. Here we go.
We have a scarf wrapped around it because we don't have a rope.
Well, because we're poor, so this is a poor man's way. Alright, go.
I'm gonna put my feet on the outside just in case
Yeah, that's
I
good.
flip.
Good idea. Don't die, please.
Oh gosh.
Can you not handle it right now?
No, I'm a little nervous.
Okay, why don't you wait so you don't slide into anybody.
Is that girl? Our class.
Do it. Well, not yet. Wait, hold on.
That thing's pretty cool. Find that in like your grandparents' attic?
In the garbage. It's working. You got it. Oh gosh. Good job, Kim. She did it. Alright, turn them up. Turn them up, everyone.
Oh my god. Oh lord.
Oh my goodness. Oh god. Break it. Awesome. That actually works perfectly.
That was better than theirs.
Oh god!
Oh god! That was so close! Go get it! Corey! What'd you do that for?
Well, once you get up there, it's kind of hard to stop.
We were standing on it. Why don't you try sitting?
I like seeing you, it's so much more fun.
Hey Corey, why don't you try sitting?
Why?
Try it. Just try it, okay?
Nah.
Come on.
Okay.
Where'd you get that old wooden toboggan?
In the garbage.
What?
Somebody threw it away.
That's where my friend got his $200 professional snowboard.
Where?
In the garbage.
Oh yeah? See? You find a lot of things in the garbage. Hold on to the thing! What is he doing? He doesn't know how to sled.
My keys were on the.
Okay.
I must have lost them on the first way down.
Here, it's my turn. Whoa. Oh my god.
These are pretty good hills, not gonna lie. They're pretty intense too. I think Rogers Lakewood has probably the best hills I think I've seen pretty much so far. What do you think?
It's fun.
Yeah? Did your brothers like it?
Oh yeah. Oh god.
You're going the wrong way.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Turn right. There you go. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm slipping on.
Oh my god, so many bumps. Okay. My keys. We're good. That was awesome. That was really bumpy.
You know, more weight, you go faster.
I see that.
I told you.
That was crazy.
My hands are frozen.
Oh god.
Whee! Pull me through the deep snow. Mountain man.
It's gonna break.
Come on.
Okay, I'm warning you.
I'm gonna run you over.
The last one was crazy, but we unfortunately couldn't get it on camera because it was bumpy. So.
Oh my gosh, we were like in midair several times and we slammed down.
It was awesome.
It was like the hilliest hill.
Yeah, it was pretty intense.
Oh my gosh.
We were bumping like down it. We were going in. We went up there like twice.
And we went up more than twice.
Really?
Yeah. Like it was crazy. I wish we could have gotten it on camera. It was nuts. And there was people like flying up in the air off of this one. Oh, I didn't even know that it was that bad.
The blizzard of 2016 was worth it for that.
Oh yes.
It was really cool. So we're gonna end this vlog. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and do what you do. This has been a 10 out of 10.
Nice meme.
Kind of vlog. Bye.
Bye.